To pay with PayPal on Dhgate, start by creating an account on Dhgate if you do not already have one. Once you have logged in, browse the website for the product you want to purchase and click on it to go to the product details page. On this page, click the Buy Now button to proceed to the order page. On the order page, select your preferred shipping method and any other options that may be available. Then click the Proceed to Checkout button. In the payment section, you will see various payment options. But since Dhgate does not directly support PayPal, you will need to use a third-party payment service that does. One such service is the PayPal-supported payment option through a third-party payment gateway like ePay or others that are listed on Dhgate. To use this method, select the ePay payment option and then click on the PayPal logo to proceed. You will be redirected to the ePay website where you can log in to your PayPal account and complete the payment. Alternatively, you can also use PayPal to buy on Dhgate by using a PayPal-supported debit or credit card to pay through other accepted payment methods like credit card or debit card. To do this, select the credit or debit card payment option and enter your card details. Make sure the card is linked to your PayPal account so the payment can be made from your PayPal balance. Once you have completed the payment, you will receive an order confirmation from Dhgate and your product will be shipped according to the shipping method you selected. It is essential to note that when using PayPal on Dhgate, you may be charged a small fee by the third-party payment service for using their platform. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to only use reputable third-party payment services that are listed on Dhgate and always check the seller's ratings and reviews before making a purchase. By following these steps, you can safely and securely use PayPal to buy on Dhgate.